Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mary Ellen, and today I'm going to be opening this Happy Planner journal pack. There's 4 journals in here. Looks like some florals, so I want to see what's inside. So if you want to, check it out with me. Okay, so I did not find these on the Happy Planner website. I don't think that they're going to be selling it on their website, but I do believe it's a Walmart exclusive. I will check more into that and let you know for sure, but I'm pretty sure that's what's going on. They're really pretty though, right? I mean, at least the one that I see is really pretty. I don't want to damage these, so I'm going to use an X-Acto to open this. I should probably do a video on things you can use these journals for. They don't have to be just for journaling. They can be for pretty much anything. I have a bunch of these, and I've used maybe one of these. I don't use them a lot because I write so much in my planner. But I know that a lot of people love them, so I thought you might want to see them. Maybe well, I have like stickers on my desk. Maybe I'll use these ones. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so the first one is this really pink, really pretty pink. It says, bloom and grow, be strong and know you're beautifully you. That's a really nice sentiment. And then inside you have, so here's the inside cover. Look how pretty. And then you have like one white sheet, and then it's this dotted lined paper, and it's pink dots. Really, really cute. And then the back is like this. It's sort of like ombre. It goes from like purple to blue. And then the front one goes from purple to pink. So that's really pretty. And then here's the back. All right, so these are 30 sheets per journal. Okay, so the next one looks like this. Look how pretty this is. Again, you have that same inside with the ombre. And then this one is blank white pages. Same back inside, and then here's the back. Really, really cute. The next one is pink, and it says, good things are coming. I love that quote because that just makes me feel optimistic, right? Because if I'm having a bad day and I see something like this, it's just, okay, like it makes me feel better. So I know that's silly because it doesn't necessarily mean good things are coming, but like, I just like it. I like the feel of that. Same inside cover. So I guess they're all gonna be the same. This is dot grid pink paper, not pink paper, white paper with pink dots. And then the back is plain. And the last one looks like this. It's like a teal, like turquoise color. It says happy notes on the front with these like really cute white polka dots. And then inside here is also the dotted lined paper, and this is just like black dots. And then the back looks like this. So there you have it. I know this was a really short video, but I thought you might want to see, because I know that when you see these in the store and it's in that pack, you can't see the other ones and it's frustrating. So I thought you might want to see what they look like. Let me know in the comments what you think and give me some ideas of what to use these for. All right. Also, if you are shopping the Happy Planner sale coming on Thursday, like I said, I don't think these are going to be on their website, but all the other stuff, please use my affiliate link. It would help me out a great deal. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye.